In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the email address on your Deriv account. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to hover on the bottom left corner where you can see your profile icon and then click the personal details. As you can see, your email address is displayed, but it's grayed out. That means you can't edit or change it directly. This is because the email you used during account creation is permanently linked to your account, so Deriv doesn't allow you to simply replace it from the dashboard. But don't worry, there is a way around this. All I have to do is hover on the left side panel of your dashboard. Click the live chat. What will happen is there is going to be a small window that will pop up on the bottom right corner, and then click the messages. Once the chat open, you can send them a message so that it will connect you with a support agent. Now, type in your message if you want. You can explain your situation clearly. For example, you no longer have access to your email address, or maybe you want to update it for security reasons. Ask them if it's possible for you to change your email address. Keep in mind, they may ask you to verify your identity before making any changes, so be ready to provide any necessary details. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to request an email change on your Deriv account. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.